In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn grammar check and spell check on and off in Microsoft Outlook. This is a useful setting to understand, especially if you prefer writing without interruptions or want Outlook to help you catch mistakes automatically while composing emails. To begin, open Microsoft Outlook on your computer. Once the application is running, go to the top ribbon and click on the File tab. This will take you to the main settings area. From there, select Options to open the Outlook settings window where you can adjust how the program behaves. Inside the Outlook Options window, click on Mail from the list on the left-hand side. This section controls how your emails are composed and reviewed. Next, look for the button labeled Spelling and Autocorrect and click on it. This will open a new window that contains proofing settings for spelling and grammar. To turn grammar check and spell check off, go to the proofing section and find the checkboxes labeled Check Spelling as you type and Check Grammar with Spelling. Click to clear both of these checkboxes. Once they are unchecked, select OK to confirm your changes, then click OK again to close the settings window. Now, go to the Home tab and select New Email to open a blank message. Type a sample email message in the body. After composing your message, you will notice that spelling and grammar mistakes are no longer highlighted or underlined. This confirms that the feature has been successfully turned off. Next, minimize or close the email window, then return to the File tab once again. Click on Options to open the Settings menu again. Navigate to Mail and then select Spelling and Autocorrect just like before. To turn grammar check and spell check back on, go to the proofing section and select the checkboxes for Check Spelling as you type and Check Grammar with Spelling. Once both options are selected, click OK, then click OK again to save your changes. Return to your email window and begin composing a new message. This time, you will notice that spelling and grammar mistakes are highlighted automatically as you type. This confirms that Outlook is actively checking your writing again. And that's it. You've now learned how to easily turn grammar check and spell check on and off in Microsoft Outlook, depending on your preference and writing style. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.